Okay, so we're going to locate a tune. So this defines just about everything that's on the car. So 93 octane TVS, FIC 1000s, VMP booster pump, LNM twin 66, JLT 123. I'm gonna move it over. I'm not gonna change it because it's a base file. So we're ultimately going today to do an idle log. So not really gonna change the name. I'm gonna leave it as is. So I'm gonna click program. Okay, and there it is. It's on the device, which is right here. So now that that's done, we're gonna go to the car, put the tune on the car. Okay, so we're in the car, plugging in the X4. Man, that intercooler pump, man, is crazy. All right, so program vehicle, keys on. Base file. Okay. Turn the key off. Turn the key on. Alright, gonna let it do its thing. And we'll be back as soon as that's done. Turn key on, still on, setting up the processor. So now it should be downloading the tune onto the car. There it is. So now this is the next step. So this is stage 2 of tuning the car. All right. Tune is almost on the car. It's doing its thing. Clearing DTCs. Turn the key off. Turn the key on. All right, complete. So we'll turn it off. We'll let it sit a minute. And then we'll get it rolling with the data log and the computer. All right. Here we go. right, so we're doing this right now, making sure 2 minutes of idle, and then a very slow rev to 5,000. All right, here we go. Easy, easy. That concludes our log. All right, so we stop this and shut her off.